GoPro's on. Howdy, partner.
We're in a home situation right now because there's water running across the track. Just remember, like Georgia state law, using the windshield wipers, headlights are on.
Yep. Thanks, bud. So the event we're at today is actually Track Night in America. It's one of the best events if you guys are looking to get into tracking for your first time, because number one, it's cheap. It's less than $200, often right around $150, and it's at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when everything starts, hence the name Track Night in America, which means you could take off a half day of work, take your daily driver, get it out on track, and have an absolute blast. You don't need to have an SS 1LE 450 horsepower car. Plenty of people show up in their Lexuses, their Miatas, all types of cars show up to these events. So don't think that you need a dedicated sports car to get out on track. It's actually relatively easy, and you really don't need any previous experience. So one of the cooler parts about going to some of these events, especially if you're brand new, the pressure is a lot lower. You're not at a time attack event, obviously, when everybody's competitive and everybody already knows what's going on. It's a very low stakes game of poker that you're going out to play. Now, you can obviously opt to get track insurance, and no matter what event I'm doing, I always opt to get it. And that's not that I'm necessarily worried about myself, which obviously can be the case. I could get myself into some trouble, but what I'm really worried about is the unpredictability of others, and that's just something that you can't control. So I highly suggest you guys, before you step in on track, look into track insurance. Pretty sure all in, you're gonna be under $300 for a relatively good track day. It's a nice day out, and a nice way to break up the week. is just so exhilarating. If you guys haven't taken your car on track, it's an entirely different experience. I am on cloud 9 right now, and this is just a blast. So I'm hoping the weather holds up. If it doesn't, we're gonna have a little bit of a rain delay, and hopefully get out on a wet track as well and see how the PTM handles in the wet as well. So we are yet to turn everything off, and we will at some point, but we're taking baby steps here as we should, learning a new car, new platform. That is just insane. The back end rotates perfectly, the car is confident, I'm confident, and this is just a blast. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. We had a blast at Atlanta Motorsports Park, and I really encourage any one of you guys to take your car on track. You don't need a built Camaro or any sports car for that matter. Take your daily driver out on track. It'll change your world. You'll become addicted just like I am, and you'll have a blast doing it. So rain or shine, it's definitely a good time. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.